Hi, welcome to the statics tutorials. So in this video we'll look at one of the ways of resolving vectors into components. This is if we have a vector and we have an angle to the x-axis. So we have a vector that has a magnitude of 10.2 newtons and we have an angle of 40 degrees to the negative x-axis. What we're going to do is think about this vector as being composed of an x component vector fx and a y component vector fy. When we add these two vectors together with the triangle method, just graphically, not doing any calculations yet, we should get the same vector f back again. So we can then solve this right triangle using sines and cosines and calculate the component fx and then also calculate the component fy. And this is going to greatly simplify adding vectors later. So looking at this vector, we can think about the cosine of 40 degrees. The cosine of 40 degrees would be the adjacent side, that would be the fx, divided by the hypotenuse, which would be the magnitude of f. So we can say cosine of 40 degrees is equal to fx divided by f. If we multiply both sides of this equation by f, we get that f cosine of 40 degrees is equal to fx. And then we can plug in the numbers and we can get that fx is equal to our magnitude, 10.2 newtons, times cosine of 40 degrees. Now we have to do one more thing. We have to determine whether this x component goes in the positive x direction or it goes in the negative x direction. In this case, it's going in the negative x direction. It's going in this direction to the left. So with fx, we have to plug in a negative sign in there to correct for that. Once we do the calculation, we'll get a 7.81 newtons, and that's our fx. And then we can do the same thing using sine of 40. So sine of 40 is equal to the opposite side, fy, divided by the hypotenuse, which is the magnitude of f. Multiply through this equation by f, we get f sine of 40 is equal to fy. And then we can get that fy is equal to the 10.2 newtons times sine of 40 degrees, and then go back and check your direction. In this case, you can see that fy is going in the positive y direction, so we'll leave it as positive, and we'll get a positive 6.56 newtons for fy. Thanks for watching.